Join us for an engaging and informative online event, Securing the Cloud, an OWASP-CSA collaboration, tailored to enhance your cloud security knowledge and practices. This free event welcomes all cybersecurity students and professionals. Organized by the OWASP Cairo chapter and the CSA Egypt chapter, this event features 2 comprehensive workshops aiming to provide invaluable insights to professionals in various technology roles. The event kicks off with an introduction from 10 a.m. to 10:15, setting the stage for a day of learning and networking. Following the introduction, Workshop 1, titled Securing Cloud Infrastructure and Workloads, will take place from 10:15 to 11 o'clock. Led by the experienced speaker, Fady Amir, this session is designed for cloud architects, DevOps engineers, and security professionals, offering them hands-on experience to enhance their skills and understanding of cloud infrastructure security. The second workshop, Application Security in the Cloud, starts at 11 a.m., featuring the expertise of Ahmed Saafan. Lasting for an hour, this workshop is ideal for developers, security professionals, and cloud architects looking to deepen their knowledge in securing applications within the cloud. Don't miss this unique opportunity to engage with experts and peers in the field of cybersecurity. Secure your spot by registering today and take a significant step forward in your professional journey. Together, let's build a more secure digital future. Free registration available for all interested participants.